Welcome to my YouTube channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Today, we're exploring the Mercedes-Benz E-Kia, a car that perfectly combines luxury, performance, and the future of sustainable mobility. The E-Kia is part of Mercedes-Benz's ACT lineup, designed to push the boundaries of electric vehicles. It's built on the brand's EVA 2 platform, offering a sleek and aerodynamic design that captures attention at first glance. From the signature LED light strip that stretches seamlessly across the front to its sculpted profile and flush door handles, every detail emphasizes modern elegance. But the E-Kia isn't just about aesthetics, it's about performance. Depending on the configuration, you can choose between the EC350 Plus, EC500 4MATIC, or the AMG, all of which deliver impressive power and efficiency. The entry-level EC350 Plus offers up to 292 horsepower in the range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge, ensuring both power and practicality. For those craving more excitement, the AMG ramps up the performance with over 600 horsepower, delivering a thrilling 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Inside, the E-Kia takes luxury to new heights. Step into the cabin, and you're greeted by the stunning box hyperscreen, an expansive, seamless glass panel housing multiple displays. From navigation to entertainment, everything is controlled with intuitive touch, voice, or gesture inputs. The immersive ambient lighting and premium materials ensure that every drive feels first class. Mercedes has also prioritized comfort and space. The E-Kia offers generous interior dimensions, with ample legroom and high-quality seating designed for long journeys. And thanks to the quiet electric drivetrain, the cabin provides a serene experience, enhanced by advanced soundproofing and optional features like massage seats. Safety and tech enthusiasts won't be disappointed either. The E-Kia is packed with cutting-edge driver assistance features, from active lane keeping to adaptive cruise control, ensuring peace of mind on every trip. Plus, over-the-air updates mean your car stays at the forefront of technology. Charging is made easy, with fast charging capabilities that can take the battery from 10% to 80% in just over 30 minutes. Mercedes also offers access to an extensive network of public charging stations, making road trips a breeze. The Mercedes-Benz E-Kia is more than just an electric car, it's a statement of innovation, luxury, and sustainability. Whether you're commuting in style or embarking on an adventure, the E-Kia redefines what it means to drive electric. The E-Kia pulls up to a charging station as the sun sets, highlighting its sleek silhouette. If you're as excited about the Mercedes-Benz E-Kia as we are, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest automotive trends. See you in the next one.